tekinologiya eyatongozebwa erikwetwa wendi okurijera hari Minisita Kabuye kyofatogabye owajwekera Enganzi Y'eihanga Robert Nabbanja neza kweraho okuhereza sente za Parish Development Model abantu batabandize kutambara engendo ndingwa barukuza omu banka.
Wendi means I'm here. So you can now receive your money where you are, and that is because of the clear partnership. So Airtel, what does it bond you? A pipe. Get money from Post Bank to a phone, and then a person withdraws money where you are.
Kabuye yagamba ngu tekinologiya egi yakozerwe aba bank ya Post Bank aho sente ziri kurabira abakwatanise n'aba Airtel bwanyuma y'abantu kwetombwita ngo babasharaho sente nyingi za bank.
It's a matter of dialing 185, the person enlists, then Post Bank credits this person's account on phone, and then you get your money. Second, there was also an outcry of the too much paperwork to our people. You know the kind of people you're talking about. These are just bawejere. And every time there was too much paperwork, which the president wasn't happy with. Now this system has solved everything. It's a matter of you getting two things required. Your national ID, I think the only paperwork you want, and then the phone number.
The two digital, zero tuli halfway. Tusubira nti omwezi ogunaggwera mu August. Accounts zonna $2,500 zijja kuba ziri ku digital. Naye mwezi zitali ku digital ezimu zitandise n'okusasula abantu sente bazifunya gye bali. Sente zisobola okutuukako ng'oli mu nnimiro, sente zisobola okutuukako ng'oli mu mirimu gy'okola, tolina kugenda kilomita mmeka ky'onoonya branch ya bank.
So today what we are launching is Wendi application. The other money has been launched a while ago, and many of you are our customers. Today we are actually unveiling the latest technology from Post Bank, which is Wendi, but this Wendi is already connected to Airtel money for you to be able to transfer money from Wendi account to Airtel money and from Airtel money to Wendi account.
Retired Major David Matovu or RDC wa KAKUMIRO hamwe na Grace Bataringaya ori omuhwezi wa chairman wa district ya KAKUMIRO yagira ngo sente ziri kwika billion 3 hamwe na million 5 bamazire kuzihereza ebigombe bya Parish Development Model biri kwika igana 5.
Programu eno ate nyongozeza yakozemu erongozeza mu kibanga osobola okwereseza ebanga ebiwerako myaka 2 plus nozayo mu okusatu kati kyakuse minimum 1 million maximum 1 million mukikubire mu ngalo.
Actually, I want you to get a little clever. It will be because of our own maybe challenges. But I want to assure you, we shall not shame our president because he has given us all having a big chair as the Prime Minister and the State Minister for Transport.
Somas Tebarikenda hamwe na Bet Kabanyoro obamwe omubari kuza kutunga sente za Parish Development Model batanjara encourage bari kugamba ngo neza kubahwera obutashisha sente zawo omu transport.
Sima honorable Minister Nabbanja abeki mugoro guno gwatongoizeho nitusima abo kugira ngo tube tuli tini tasanungi bija kugira ngo barorango bale banaboro babayamba kurango babateka hamusinge omurungi obukurango bayimuka kandi babakurungi.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Kujenga